today we're gonna be learning how to build a double deck Lego drawer. Isn't that awesome, guys? And see what it could do. It's really good for organizing all of your Lego pieces. You just have to put some pieces over here, some pieces over there, like these, and then you just have to slip it right in. Nobody will notice that they'll just think, oh, this is just a box, but actually it has things inside. You just have to push them and you get things. Keep on watching to learn how to build this. This is part 1 for the drawer. This is what you want to do. You need to get a 8x8 piece. Okay? Get one 8x8 piece and get a bunch of flat pieces. About 11 to 12 flat pieces. You want to now attach them right in the middle of these. You don't want to put anything around these sides, because those are the areas we're going to put these long pieces. So you could keep on attaching them. And you want to put these on so when you slide it, it'll work. It'll come slide. This is how yours should look. It's kind of similar to this. You just have to you don't have to fill up all of these gaps. Now I want you to get these pieces and put them right on your area where you put flat pieces, and take another of those same exact pieces and put them on top. After that, you have to take your other flat 8x8 piece and put it right on top. And now we just have to finish the jar. Keep on watching so you could do part 2 from the drawer. And now we're going to be making the part that comes in the jar. First, you want to get a 6x8 plate, and you'll notice that you have flat pieces on the bottom of this, right? So you could easily slide this in. This is what I want you to do. I want you to take one of these pieces, a long straight piece, and put them right in a little bit symmetrical. After that, I want you to take I want you to put some pieces over here so the items won't fall. After that, if in the middle you want to put one piece like this, so you could drag it and drag it out. And keep on doing that. You don't have to do that. You could also put this piece and just put a piece like this, and then you could drag it. So after you're done with this is what I want you to do. I want you to take your piece and slide it in. It might work or might not work. If it does not work, this is what I want you to do. If you want to get some more flat pieces and take it and put it on the tops of these. Put it on the top of this. And keep on attaching it until it's really nice and smooth. If it's still not working, you can put it in the middle. And now you could slide it in and slide it out. It probably is supposed to work. This is also really great for sorting out a lot of items. You could put things over here, Like you could sort out Legos, and it does not have to be this size. It's your choice. You can make it like 5 times bigger than this, so it would hold more things. Okay, guys, bye.